Hi students, I hope that you are all doing very well. We are at the midpoint of our semester and I just want to give you a few reminders. I know that you guys are working at your own pace in VHL Central. Please make sure that you are working promptly on your assignments. You can access the calendar that we have available over there, and you can also keep track of all the announcements that I post on Blackboard to make sure that you guys are working on everything and that you're not missing any assignments from this course. About the final project, I have heard that some of you have struggled a little bit to communicate with your classmates, and I just want to remind you that this is not going to be the last time that you guys work in a group, and I know it might be a little bit challenging since you are online, but today we have a lot of resources that you can use to communicate with your classmates. Please make sure that you use those resources. About the resources that we have available in Blackboard, once again, I already posted a video about that, but just if you want to refresh that, how to get there, I'm going to show you right now. So here I am in a course that has already passed, but this will look very similar to what you see now. So if you can see at the end of your, or on the left side of your menu in Blackboard, you're going to see a group number. You're going to be able to access that, and you're going to go there and you will see the members. In here it's only me because I created this only to display myself in the group, but you will see the group members over there, and you can see all the options that you have or all the tools that you have available. Please do use the discussion board. Go in there, and I know that you guys might be using another way to communicate, which is totally fine, but just make sure that you also use your discussion board, because this is the way that I'm going to see, or that I'm going to monitor that you guys are working as a group. Whenever you tell me as well that some classmate is not working, I'm going to go there and I'm going to double check that what you are saying is true. If you are trying to reach out your classmate, or if you have made all those attempts, I will be able to go in there and see if you have really tried, if you have contacted your classmates, and if they have been ignoring those requests or those messages that you're sending. I'm going to be able to go there. I always have access to these discussion boards, so make sure you can create a thread in here. You can talk to all the members of your group, and also talk to me if you have any questions. I usually go back and forth, and I'm trying to keep track of all these communication. So just to clarify, this is a group project. Everyone in the group should be working together. I know that some students have also are not in our course anymore, so that's why some of the groups are changing. Please make sure to keep track of all those changes and make sure that you guys know the distribution of the work so you get your stuff done. I'm leaving you to decide what to remove, what to keep, so that's up to you, as long as you have the minimum requirements. So make sure that you know what you are required, and also remember that even though this is a group project, you do have to participate. Everyone has to participate, because it's very important that you work as a group. Additionally, at the end of towards the end of the semester, you will have a rubric which will be used to make comments on the way that your classmates behaved in this group project. So you will be able to be heard. You will have the opportunity to make any comments about the people in your team. Not only that, but you will be able to give some points to your classmates. So this is also going to be integrated in the grade for the final project, because it is very important that you're not letting your group down. Even though this is going to be turned as a group, I don't want anyone to just bail and then just stop doing what they're supposed to do, because that is not fair for the rest of the group. Please make sure that you communicate with your classmates that you do what you're supposed to do in the time frame that you're supposed to be working on that assignment. So please be responsible, and if not, we will have the chance also to make comments on those classmates that are not working towards the final project. So those are the reminders I wanted to give you guys. And just if you have any questions, as always, please email me. Please let me know if you're struggling, or if you're stuck, or if you need any ideas how to work with the final project. Please reach out and let me know in a timely manner. So that's what I wanted to tell you, and I hope that your semester is going smooth. And please reach out if you need any help.